Alright, I made a few changes to the wing mount here. Move that hole. Still got all the flex it needs. And I added a wheelie bar. So, it does ride right on the wheelie bar before it hits the skid. Yeah, buddy. It'll probably hit the skid too because of flex, but a little wheelie added. Also, I'm sure it would overtemp probably with the other tires on too, but it overtemps with these tires on quite a bit. So, custom 3D printed fan mount. I'm gonna run this just on a separate battery, see how it runs, but I'll let you guys know how it does. I gotta edit the video from yesterday from testing this wing mount that I did right here, which is, see this hole? It's a little too far down. I love doing this stuff. It's a blast. These products will be available soon. And yeah. I'm gonna test everything thoroughly before I plan to sell anything.